Hi there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a demonstration on how to turn Twitter tweets into a video. So for those who are new, my name is William and I review AI softwares on my channel. If you are interested in these kind of topics, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. In the past, when the AI softwares are not as common as before, people have to copy out your original Twitter tweet on a browser and then paste it into maybe tools like Canva and then put out some stock videos. It will require a lot of manual work, but as AI starts to become mainstream, tools like Flicky can help you just import a Twitter tweet and then it'll help you generate a video with text to speech. So today that's what we're going to look into, and let's get into the dashboard. I'm now inside the Flicky dashboard, so I'll click on New File, give this a name. Be sure you select the video. Right now you can hit on Import, tweet the video. And now Flicky is going to ask you for the link. So I'm just picking some samples on Twitter. So let's say I want to do Tony Robbins quote. What I can do is hit the share button here, grab this link, go back to Flicky, paste it here, and I'll hit submit. So tweet the video will usually turn your video format into portrait mode. So we can go ahead and delete the first row. If you have multiple tweets you want to put in, again, hit import, tweet the video, grab another link, copy the link, go back here, paste. Now you got two of them here. So we can go back to the video setting. So it's now in portrait mode. If you want to have these effects, fade in, fade out between sections, or if it's an image, you have the zoom effect. We'll leave this in center for the placement. I usually like to have large fonts. You can play around with the background color and the font color. So I'll hit save. So if you don't like this particular video, what you can do is click this three dot and then choose change image or video. And then here you can find a particular keyword related with your niche. So we're trying to do a Tony Robbins quote. So let's just see how this one looks like.
Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible.
So the background doesn't relate, so I'll change the image. I can put it for example, man thinking. Or I can put in goal setting. And the good thing, you can see where these videos are coming from. So it's coming from Paxos. You can see some of them are from other stock libraries. This one's called Cover. I think primarily it's Paxos and Covers. So if we think the goal setting for this one is good, we can choose this one. So this has changed. So if you want the tweet to be placed on top or bottom, then go back to the video setting, select these instead. And I do want to choose a male voice. So what I can do is come in here, I'll choose male. And you can choose which voice you like, whether it's US or UK. I do like to have the voice styles enabled. So if it's like Tony Robbins, for this example, it could be like shouting. Just to try it out, we'll choose Tony and apply this voice to all the sections. And let's hear it out.
Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible.
If we play the entire thing at the bottom, you'll get two of them at the same time. If you click just on this one, then it'll only generate the voice for this particular sections. And how Flickr charges the credits is based on each run. So let's say if you have made some minor edits here, or if you change the voice styles or anyone here, then how long of this particular line, let's say it's 1 second, then that's going to cost like 1 second from your subscription. So you want to make sure that you don't play the entire thing all the time. So let's see how the second one looks like. The path to success is to take massive determined actions. So let's see how that image looks like. So it seems to be someone riding a bike, but it's kind of dark. I don't like it. So I can maybe choose like, no, lifting weights. And if I'm happy with this one, then let's give this a try.
The path to success is to take massive determined action.
You want it to be shouting. See if that works. Previously that voice wasn't shouting, so let's see if shouting makes a difference on the tone.
The path to success is to take massive determined action.
I think that sounds pretty good, so I'll keep it that one. I might just try this one to shouting as well. So you can keep on doing this, add a few more of the codes you want. So let's say I just want to do like 3 tweets into a video, and we've got the voice styles correct. It's in the portrait format that I like. The last one is you can choose different background music, and you can choose the volume here. And we're going to choose other background music. Let's say I want to have some background music with like uplifting scene. So I'll try this one. You can see these keywords based on the particular soundtrack. Okay, let's say I like this one, so I can just click on this. And then the volume, you can choose it to be lower or higher. I'll choose a slightly lower because I want the AI voice to be more louder. So I'll hit save. And this could be my final output, so I'll just hit play.
Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. The path to success is to take massive determined action. As soon as you set goals, you should immediately begin to create momentum.
So this is like how you can use Flickr to turn a particular tweet into a video. It can be one single tweet or multiple tweets. So let's say once this is complete, we can hit export. And right now, Flicky is going to export this video. If your video is longer, then it's going to take bits of time. And right now, you can actually close the browser. And once it's done, you'll actually get an email from Flicky telling you that the video has been completed. So what I'll do is I'll stop the video and I'll show you how that email looks like. So here's the email from Flicky. So it's telling you your content is ready for download. Click here, download now. So once you click on this, it's going to bring you straight to the video. So you can hit download. And that's going to save it to your computer. Nice and easy. So just going back to the Flicky's website, I always like to come in every time I do a review and see what kind of new features is being brought up by Flicky. I think I did a video on Flicky 2 months ago, and you can come in here and see they are pushing out updates every time. So in end of January, they got like more premium music library. And then previously they had some like Giphy integration. Tweet the video is the feature that I'm explaining today. So they're constantly updating their platform with new features, which is really good. And if we just jump to pricing, again, you can pay $21 to get up to 180 minutes if you pay yearly. So let's open up a calculator. So let's do some simple math. 21 times 12. 21 times 12, that'll be $252 USD for 1 year to do 180 minutes of audio video content per month. So if we come into AppSumo, this place is a marketplace to buy softwares, and Flicky has a very special discount. So they'll only charge you $189 for a lifetime. That means you only pay once and you don't have to pay again. So previously on their website, if you pay $252 for the plan and you have to pay every year. But in AppSumo, if you just pay $189 one time, you will have this software as long as the company is still running. And it still have the 180 minutes per month, and you get the exact same features from Flicky. So that's a really good deal, and it's only 2 days left. So what I want to show is Flicky is actually the same co-founder as the Writer, another AI writing assistant. And Writer previously was on AppSumo with their promotion on their lifetime deal. I think they only came to AppSumo for one time, and then they've never came back to AppSumo. So this might happen to Flicky as well. This might be the last time you can pick up Flicky for this one-time purchase. And moving on, they might be charging you on a monthly fee. So if you have this need, or if you have this business need to turn like text into videos, whether it's tweet the video, block the video, or any other use case, then Flicky is a really good tool. I think it's not too expensive with this price point, giving you almost 180 minutes per month to generate videos. So this is my demo on how to turn a single Twitter tweet or multiple tweet into a video using Flicky. I hope this video was useful. Please do give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll leave the links down below for Flicky. You can try it for free or to sign up with AppSumo with 60-day money-back guarantee. This might be the last time you can pick up Flicky. So I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.